August 3, 2022, is Clean Your Floors Day. Clean Your Floors Day is observed annually on August 3 in the United States. This day serves as a reminder to everyone to clean their floors. Floor cleaning is a time-consuming, but necessary chore that ensures your home stays clean and safe for everyone who lives there. While it is ideal to clean your floors every day, this is not always possible. Cleaning Your Floors Day is an excellent opportunity to deep clean and refresh your home's floors, making daily cleaning a breeze. Clean Your Floors Day history. Every year on August 3, Clean Your Floors Day is observed. The occasion serves as both a reminder and an opportunity for Americans to carefully clean their floors. Despite being a laborious activity, floor cleaning is crucial. Floor cleaning is important for a number of reasons, in order to keep the house safe and livable for the residents. Because it removes any obstacles that could cause people to trip or slip while walking, floor cleaning is crucial. Lack of floor cleanliness can result in numerous accidental injuries, some of which regular cleaning extends the life of your floors and keeps them sturdy and attractive for a very long time by removing anything that could scrape or wear them down. Maintaining clean flooring is also crucial for minimizing allergy reactions. If they aren't frequently cleaned out, dust, pet fur and dander, pollen, and other allergens have a tendency to accumulate quickly on floors and can result in life-threatening allergic reactions. How simple it is to maintain flooring is a deciding element when selecting floor materials, especially in areas like kitchens, baths, and hospitals where sanitization is crucial. The value of your home, as a whole, is decreased by flooring wear. Fatal activities to clean your floors. 1. Find the most effective cleaning techniques. Cleaning requirements change between floors. This day is an excellent chance to review your understanding of floor cleaning procedures. 2. Wash your floors. Doing what the day directs and cleaning your floors is the best way to observe Clean Your Floors Day. Completely sweep the floor and wipe it with a dependable cleaning agent. 3. Help your neighborhood. Reaching out to those who might not be able to regularly clean their floors is a terrific idea on this day. Visit their homes and offer to assist with a thorough floor cleaning. You might not have known these 5 facts about flooring. 1. Cotton mops are not hygienic. While microfiber mops are a superior, more hygienic alternative to cotton mops, the long threads on cotton mops are frequently packed with bacteria. 2. Sweeping the floor results in injury. Floor mopping is the task that causes the greatest accidental accidents among all the cleaning-related tasks that cleaners perform. 3. Cleaning floors requires time. On a typical cleaning operation, floors cleaning takes up between 35 and 40% of the entire cleaning time. 4. Better methods use 2 buckets. Single bucket systems use the same water that was used to clean the mop to mop the floor again, which makes the procedure highly unhygienic. 5. People are most aware of floors. Cleaning floors is crucial because it is the first thing customers notice when they enter a building. The reasons why we love to clean your floors. 1. It serves as a prompt to wash our floors. We definitely need to clean our floors, so let's get to it. We appreciate being reminded to keep our floors pristine. 2. It serves as a prompt to get supplies. Today is a fantastic day to restock and reconsider our cleaning products. We wish to purchase the best materials for our floors. 3. It makes life more bearable. A thorough deep clean makes it simpler for us to maintain a clean home over time. By enabling us to thoroughly clean all of our floors in one go, Clean Your Floors Day makes our lives easier. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please do share it with your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.